Become unrecognizable in 7 steps. Let's be honest. You're not here because you want small change. You're here because something inside you is screaming for transformation. You're not satisfied. You've outgrown the current version of yourself. And deep down, you know, you're meant to be more than this. So let's skip the fluff. This is your roadmap. 7 brutal, honest, and effective steps to become unrecognizable. Mentally, physically, and emotionally. Not in a year, not in 5. But starting now. Let's begin. Step 1. Break the mirror of who you think you are. The reason you haven't changed is because you're still loyal to an identity you've outgrown. You say things like, "I'm just not that kind of guy. I've never been disciplined. I've always struggled with motivation." Stop. You are not your past. You are your potential. The first step to becoming unrecognizable is this. Kill the old self-image. That identity, the one based on fear, failure, and limitations, it has to die. Because the man you're becoming, he doesn't ask permission from the past to step into the future. Step 2. Master 1 physical discipline. If you want to change your mind, change your body first. Why? Because your body is the one place you can't lie to yourself. It's raw truth. No filters, no shortcuts. Pick one physical discipline. Lifting, running, boxing, cold showers, martial arts, anything, and attack it. Every day, rain or shine, tired or not, you show up. Because this isn't about fitness. It's about proof. Every rep is a reminder that you don't negotiate with weakness anymore. Every drop of sweat is a vote for your future self. Discipline in the body builds belief in the mind. Step 3. Get ruthless with your environment. Want to stay average? Stay surrounded by comfort. Want to change your life? Change your inputs. What you listen to. What you eat. What you scroll. Who you allow around you. Delete junk apps. Cut soul-draining relationships. Replace gossip with books. Replace noise with solitude. This is war. And your attention is the battlefield. So, get ruthless. If it doesn't grow you, it goes. Step 4. Become a student of power. Every powerful man you admire, he's not just strong. He's educated. He studies people, psychology, business, philosophy. He doesn't just react. He understands. If you want to become unrecognizable, you need wisdom. Not surface-level TikTok quotes, but real, ancient, tested truth. Read the books no one else reads. Study the minds that built empires. Learn how the world actually works. Because transformation isn't just physical, it's intellectual. You can't play a powerful game with a weak mind. Step 5. Face one fear per week. If you keep running from fear, you'll keep running from your future. You want to grow? Then lean in. Fear is your compass. And behind it is your power. Start small. Speak up when it's uncomfortable. Say no when it terrifies you. Try something that makes your heart race. Do this every week. And before long, you'll look back and realize the things that used to scare you now bow to you. Growth lives where fear used to. Step 6. Rewire the inner dialogue. You can't become a new man with the same voice in your head. You know the one. The one that says, "You're not good enough. You'll always be like this. Who are you to try?" Silence that voice. And replace it. Start speaking power into yourself. Out loud. Every morning. I don't rise by luck. I rise by discipline. I'm not here to be liked. I'm here to lead. I train. I think. I building. I evolve. This isn't cheesy. This is war. Your mind will believe whatever you tell it most, so start feeding it the truth, even if you don't believe it yet, because eventually, you will. Step 7. Do one hard thing every day, without excuses. Here's the final step. The step that separates those who talk from those who transform. Every day, you do one thing that your weaker self would avoid. Workout. Cold shower. Wake up at 5. Speak your truth. Cut that toxic relationship. Create content. Build the business. Whatever it is, you do it daily. Because transformation isn't a single leap. It's the compound effect of 1,000 hard choices made when no one's watching. The man who does hard things daily becomes unstoppable. Let's wrap this up. If you follow these 7 steps, really follow them, you won't recognize yourself in 90 days. You'll walk different, talk different, think sharper, move quieter, carry weight in every room you enter. Because you'll have proof, not just of who you are, but of who you chose to become. This version of you, he's not soft, he's not scared, he's not stuck. He's forged in sweat, focus, silence, and fire. So now the question is, are you ready to disappear and come back unrecognizable?